Om Shri Sai Ram. Myself Jyothi. Dear children, I hope all are doing well. Be safe, be at home. I am taking the 5th standard science subject. Topic is nature of matter. We see so many materials in our daily life. I will show you. For example, this is stone. Observe neatly. This is scale. And this one leaf, eraser, pen, piece of chalk and pencil, and also etc. So many things you see in your daily life. Are you sure all the materials are in the same form? Are you sure all the materials are in the same form? No. Why? Because the particles are arranged in different manner in different materials. Okay. What is particle? What is particle? The smallest piece of matter is called particle. What is particle? The smallest piece of matter is called particle. Smallest piece. We cannot divide further. Okay. For example, this is pencil. Visible thing. This is visible, but the particles invisible. We can't see particles. Okay. Next, coming to next point. What is matter? What is matter? Materials which occupy space and has mass is called matter. Materials which occupies space. Space means place, and has mass. Mass means weight. Is called matter. Next, it has two main properties. Matter has two main properties. First one is matter occupies space. Matter occupies space. We can easily understand this property by doing one experiment. I will draw here. Take two beakers and completely filled with water and place on a plate. Slowly immerse a stone of same size tied with a thread into the beaker. Okay. What happened? Observe. What happened? The water slowly comes out and collected in the plate. Why? Why it happens? Because stone is a material. It occupies space in the beaker. So that much of water spills out and collected in the plate. Okay, clarified. Next, you can do it at your home also. Okay. Next, coming to next property. What's that property? Matter has mass. Matter has mass. This property also we can easily understand by doing one activity. Okay. Take a weighing balance. Take a weighing balance and observe. Put one material. Your choice. For example, stone. In the left side, put it in the left side of the pan. Okay. What happened? What happened? You see, suddenly right side of the pan moves upwards and left side of the pan comes down. Why? Why? Because stone is one of the material. It's a matter. It also has mass, that is weight. So it comes down. Okay. This one also you do it at your home. Okay. Once again I will read you. What is particle? The smallest piece of matter is called particle. Smallest piece of matter is called particle. What is matter? Materials which occupy space and has mass is called matter. What are the two properties of matter? They are matter occupies space and matter has mass. Okay. Matter is identified in the three forms: states of matter. States of matter. There are three states of matter. First one is solid. Solid. Second one is liquid. And third one is gas. First we go through the solid. Solid state. In solid state, particles in solid state see students, particles are how arranged in solid matter. Particles are densely and orderly arranged. In solid, particles are densely and orderly arranged. Okay. So in solid state, matter has definite shape and weight also. It has definite shape. Okay. For example for the solid state, stone. What is that? Stone. Sugar. And eraser, etc. Okay. Next, coming to liquid state. In liquid state, particles are rarely arranged. Particles are loosely arranged compared to solid. Okay, compared to solid, in liquid state, particles loosely arranged. So that's why in solids has no definite shape, but it has the shape of it takes the shape of the container. It takes the shape of the container. For example, water. Water. In this bottle, water takes its bottle shape. Okay, do you understand? Some more examples are there: water, buttermilk, juice, coconut water, etc. Okay, are you understand? In liquid state, particles are loosely arranged as compared to the solid state. Liquids has no definite shape, but it takes the shape of the container. Okay. Next, coming to third state, that is gas. In this state, particles are very rarely arranged. In gas, for example, air, smoke. We can't see air because the particles are very rarely arranged, but we can experience it. Okay, and also etc. Okay, we can continue in next class. Thank you.